Batman's future on the big screen includes some potential comic villains. Some would be welcomed, but others should be avoided. He is vengeance, he is the knight, he is the Batman. Ever since the Caped Crusader came to live action, he has faced off against increasingly tougher and smarter enemies. From the campy Mr. Freeze to the psychopathic Joker, Batman is all set to confront Colin Farrell's Penguin in the upcoming film The Batman. They said there are still many villainous foes that have yet to come to the big screen, who may appear in the rumored Pattinson trilogy. Batman has a huge library of supervillains who might be making an appearance in future movies. Some would be great to see on the big screen. Here are 5 villains that we want to see in the Batman movie. Number 5 is Clayface. Clayface is the perfect Batman supervillain for a noir thriller. He can transform into anybody, which would force Batman into using his detective skills to figure out the real Clayface. There have been many versions of Clayface, but the most popular one is the Basil Karlo iteration. He has appeared in many Batman media as his enemy, most prominently as the final boss in the Batman Arkham City, and as a part of Harley's crew in the series Harley Quinn. Number 4 is Red Hood. Red Hood is perhaps one of Batman's greatest villains. After the Joker captured Jason Todd, he tortures and kills him. However, he is resurrected by Ra's al Ghul through the Lazarus Pit. While Batman believes he has been dead, Jason returns to Gotham years later as the Red Hood. A live-action movie would certainly take inspiration from the animation feature Batman Under the Red Hood. An appearance by Red Hood would no doubt require a lot of backstories and setting up, but fans would be absolutely thrilled to finally see Jason Todd on the big screen. Number 3 is Talon from Code of Owls. The Code of Owls is an ancient secret organization that has operated in Gotham for hundreds of years before Bruce Wayne was born. The leaders of the Code always wear white owl masks and have used murder and crime to develop enormous influence in the world. They employ assassins known as Talons to commit these murders. The Code of Owls would make the perfect villain for a detective thriller film, as Batman would go toe-to-toe with an entire organization of criminals and assassins. While the Code of Owls appears in Gotham, they'll hopefully make a film appearance soon as well. There are actually some fan theories that the Court might appear in the Batman. Number 2 is Hugo Strange. Professor Hugo Strange is a genius criminal mastermind who has one of the first supervillains to figure out the Caped Crusader's real identity. He's an expert chemist and physiologist, and he was able to figure out that Batman was in fact Bruce Wayne just from making notes and creating a psychological profile. He would make for a perfect villain in a detective thriller, and fans have yet to see him on the big screen. Hugo Strange's most widely known appearance yet has been as the main villain in Batman Arkham City, although the character was in Gotham, played by B.D. Wong. Number 1 is Hush. Batman Hush has been one of the most popular comic book storyline in Batman history and has ever been adapted into an animated film. Dr. Tommy Elliot was a childhood friend of Bruce Wayne who later took on the identity of Hush. He had attempted to murder his parents and held a grudge against the Waynes after Bruce's father managed to save his mother. Batman Hush is a psychological detective thriller that would be perfect for a live-action Batman adaptation. He is the literally foil of Batman, both rich orphans with genius-level intellects. But while one chooses to be a superhero, the other chooses to be a villain. Hush made his first live-action appearance in Gotham and has since also appeared in the CW's Batwoman. If you like the video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. See you in the next video.